Hello and welcome to another AQA GCSE revision video. In this video we're looking at question 19 from the second paper of the higher tier of the June 2017 past papers. This is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators, and we're picking up in question 19, which reads: Rana sells 192 cakes in the ratio of small to medium to large is equal to 7 to 6 to 11. The profit for one medium cake is twice the profit for one small cake. The profit for one large cake is 3 times the profit for one small cake. Her total profit is £532.48. Work out the profit for one small cake. Okay, so this is our ratios in proportion. So what we're saying is that she sells 192 cakes in the ratio small to medium to large is 7 to 6 to 11. So 7 out of a total of 7 plus 6 plus 11, well, 7 plus 11 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24. So 7/24 of the cakes that she sells, which is 192, are small. Now, I could try to work that out, but this is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. So the easiest thing is to just bung it into a calculator. Okay, so I've got my calculator, so I'm just going to go 7 times 192 divided by 24, and that's equal to 56. And that means 56 small cakes were sold. Now the number of medium cakes would be 6 over 24 times 192. And again, instead of bothering to work it out, we could just shove that into the calculator. Okay, so I have my calculator, so this is just 6 times 192 divided by 24, and that's equal to 48. I wonder if 192 divided by 24 is 8. The reason I'm thinking is that 7 times 8 is 56 and 6 times 8 is 48. I'm guessing that 11 times 8 is 88. I'll bet the next one's going to come up to 88. But let's do it anyway. So 11 over 24 times 192. And I'm fairly confident this is going to come out to 88. But let's use the calculator anyway. Okay, so I've got my calculator. So this is 11 times 192 divided by 24, and it is indeed 88. So yeah, I am very, very confident that if I did 192 divided by 24, it would actually come out to 8. Okay, so that's the large ones. And why did I write small when I should have written medium? Silly me. That's medium. Okay, so she sold 56 small cakes, 48 medium cakes and 88 large cakes. Now the profit for one large cake is 3 times the profit for one small cake, and the profit for one medium cake is twice the profit for one small cake, and her total profit is £532.48. So she sold 56 small cakes at a profit of, let's call it little p, not to be confused with pence, plus 48 medium cakes at a profit of 2p, so that's times 2p, plus, p was a really bad choice of variable, wasn't it? Plus 88 large cakes at a profit of 3p. Not 3 pence, 3 times the profit, which is an unknown variable, which is equal to £532.48. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is factor out the p. So this is p into 56 plus, well, 48 times 2 is just 96, plus, and then 88 times 3, I'm going to get the calculator. No, I'm not, I'm going to do this in my head. 264. No, I'm going to use the calculator, just give me a second. Okay, so I've got my calculator. So this is, 88 times 3, I think it's 264, but I can't be sure. It is 264, I should have had the courage of my conviction. 264. Which is equal to £532.48. Okay, so all I have to do now is say P is equal to 532.48 divided by 56 plus 96 plus 264. Which is equal to, and I'm just going to grab the calculator. Okay, so I've got my calculator, so this is 532.48 divided by, now I need to open brackets here because if I don't it will not calculate this correctly. 56, all of 56 plus 96 plus 264. And if I close brackets, that came to 416, and that's equal to 1.28. So the profit on one small cake is £1 and 28 pence. Do not write in the little p for pence. One thing you shouldn't do is get carried away, and once you've calculated the profit for one small cake, go ahead and then try and find the profit for all 56 small cakes, because that would be wrong. The question is asking for the profit for one small cake, not all of the small cakes. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.